Hello students, as I have discussed in my previous video, today I am back with the SNAP cutoff for 15 different colleges under Symbiosis International University. As you have appeared in SNAP examination, you are well aware that SNAP is the national level entrance test which is used by Symbiosis International University Pune for admission into 15 different colleges. So in today's video, I will try to find out the best colleges under SIU Pune along with their average placement package, and also I'll talk about SNAP score cutoff for these colleges which will be used for admission process in 2022-24 batch. I will try to also give you highlights about 2019 and 2020 SNAP cutoff of these colleges. So watch this video till the end and also like and subscribe to Apna College Net YouTube channel, and also do share this video with your friends so that they also get benefited. So to start with SNAP 2021 cutoff for the colleges under Symbiosis International University, I'll discuss them one by one. So let us first take the SIBM Pune. SIBM Pune is Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, and here you have 2 years full-time regular MBA program. And if you look into SIBM cutoff in 2019, it was 96 SNAP percentile. That was the first round cutoff for general category candidates, whereas in 2020 the cutoff was 98.5. So that was the first round call, and this year in 2021 we are expecting a SNAP cutoff of between 97 to 98 percentile. Moving on to the next one, SCMHRD Pune, which is Symbiosis Center for Management and HR Development. So, SCMHRD Pune, again 2019 cutoff for SNAP percentile was 95, where we have seen a bit of increase in SNAP percentile cutoff on round 1 for 2020, which was 96. So this year again for 2021 SCMHRD Pune, we are expecting a SNAP percentile cutoff of around 94 to 96. We are moving on to the next one, which is SIIB Pune, Symbiosis Institute of International Business, where they have MBA in International Business, of course, and MBA in Agribusiness Management. So here again in SIIB Pune in 2019 the SNAP percentile cutoff was 92, which again went up a bit in 2020, where we have seen the SNAP percentile cutoff was 93. So SIIB Pune, we are expecting a SNAP 2021 cutoff percentile between 95, which can drop down even to 93. So 93 to 95, that is the range for percentile cutoff for SNAP 2021 for SIIB Pune. So moving on to the next one, Symbiosis Institute of Business Management, SIBM Bangalore. Now SIBM Bangalore, again they have 2 years regular MBA program, for which we can see that 2019 the cutoff was 88 SNAP percentile cutoff, and in 2020 the SNAP percentile cutoff for SIBM Bangalore was 90. Looking into that kind of trend, we can expect that SIBM Bangalore 2021 the SNAP cutoff is expected to be around 90 percentile only. Moving on to the next one, which is SIOM Nasik, Symbiosis Institute of Operations Management. Now in SIOM Nasik, we have seen in 2019 cutoff for SNAP percentile was 85, and whereas in 2020 the cutoff was 87. So looking into that trend, somewhere 2021 expected SNAP cutoff percentile for SIOM Nasik can remain in the range between 85 to 87 percentile. With that kind of SNAP percentile, you are expected to get a call from SIOM. Moving on to the next institute under SIU Pune, that is SICSR, Symbiosis Institute of Computer Studies and Research, which is located in Pune. For SICR Pune, as we can find that in 2019 the cutoff percentile for SNAP was 80 and in 2020 the SNAP percentile cutoff was 82. So looking into the trend, the expected SNAP 2021 cutoff at SICSR Pune, we are expecting between 82 to 84 percentile. So that will be the range of SNAP percentile cutoff, 82 to 84 for SICSR Pune. Next institute coming up is SITM Pune. To SITM Pune, 2019 cutoff was 81 SNAP percentile, and whereas in the year 2020 the SNAP percentile cutoff for SITM Pune was 83. So looking into that trend, expected SNAP 2021 cutoff percentile for SITM Pune, we are expecting around 83, which will be very close to or similar to that of 2020 cutoff. Next institute up on the cards is SIMS Pune, which is Symbiosis Institute of Management Studies. Now for SIMS Pune, the percentile SNAP percentile cutoff for 2019 was 75, whereas in 2020 the SNAP percentile cutoff was 77. So 2021 for SIMS Pune, you can expect a call with a SNAP percentile between 77 to 80. That should be the range for expected SNAP 2021 cutoff in terms of percentile for SIMS Pune. SIMC, that is Symbiosis Institute of Media and Communication Pune, very specialized institute for those who want to do MBA in communications management or media management. In 2019 the cutoff was for SNAP percentile was 70, whereas in 2020 the cutoff was 76. So looking into the trend, the expected SNAP 2021 cutoff for SIMC Pune is around 73. So 70 to 76 was the last 2 years cutoff. So 73 is the perfect expected SNAP percentile for SIMC Pune. For SCIT Pune, which is the next one, that is Symbiosis Center for Information Technology for students who are looking forward towards MBA IT and Information Technology. So at SCIT Pune, in 2019 the cutoff was somewhere around 74 and 2020 cutoff was 75. So at SCIT Pune, we are expecting a SNAP percentile cutoff somewhere around 76 to 79. So with that kind of SNAP percentile, you are expected to get a call from SCIT Pune. SIHS Pune is the next one which we will discuss. Symbiosis Institute of Health Science, SIHS Pune. Now, SIHS Pune is for those candidates who are interested in doing MBA in healthcare management or MHA. So, in the year 2019, the SNAP cutoff was 55, whereas in 2020, the cutoff of SNAP percentile was 75 for the same institute. So, for SIHS Pune, I am not being apprehensive that this time also the 75 percentile cutoff will prevail. Rather, I am expecting that SIHS Pune may give a call up to 58 to 60 percentile. That is the range we can take to get a call from SIHS Pune. So, the next institute we will discuss is SSMC Pune, which is Symbiosis School of Media and Communication, SSMC Pune, and where in 2019 the cutoff was 72 and in 2020 the cutoff further we have seen drop to 60. So we are expecting at SSMC Pune 2020 and 2021 SNAP cutoff will not vary much. So with 60 to 62 SNAP percentile, you can get a call from SSMC Pune. Moving on to the next one, which is SSBF Pune, Symbiosis School of Banking and Finance. It is specifically for those students who are interested for MBA Finance specialization. Now into SSBF Pune 2019 cutoff, as we can see, for SNAP percentile was 58, and in 2020 it remained the same. So SNAP percentile 58 was the 2020 cutoff. So in 2021 also with a 58 percentile SNAP cutoff, there will be no change, and you can expect a call from SSBF Pune. SIBM Hyderabad, Symbiosis Institute of Business Management Hyderabad, that is the next institute we will discuss. And as we can see, both in the year 2019 and 2020, both year with SNAP percentile cutoff 55 each, SIBM Hyderabad call was on. So similarly, if you talk about this year, we are expecting again no change in the SNAP percentile cutoff for SIBM Hyderabad. So 55 percentile in SNAP can get you a call from SIBM Hyderabad. And then Symbiosis Schools of Sports Science, that is SSSS Pune. This is for those people or those students who are interested for MBA in sports management. So in 2019, we have seen for this institute the SNAP percentile cutoff was 50, whereas in 2020 the cutoff was 58. So this year, if you talk about for this college, we assume the cutoff will somewhat remain in between 55 to 58 percentile. So these were all 15 institutes under Symbiosis International University, which will use SNAP 2021 test score and percentile for admission into all these 15 colleges and MBA programs. So among all the colleges I have discussed under SIU Pune, if you ask for my opinion, I'll always advise you to go for SIBM Pune and also SCM HRD Pune. These two are the best institution in terms of return on investment and the brand name. So let us look forward to SNAP 2021 results and prepare well for the group activity round, the WAT written ability test round, and also the interview round. If you have any query or any questions, please do comment in the comment box. And also I have created a query form which the link is given in the description box. So please feel free to interact with us if you have any specific query. So do like and subscribe to Apna College Net YouTube channel so you can stay updated with the recent management entrance test, and also like and subscribe this YouTube channel with your friends. Thank you.